In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit legend text in an Excel chart. Open Excel and load the prepared workbook. Once it's open, click once on the chart so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when a black border appears around the chart, and two Chart Tools tabs show up on the ribbon. Those are Chart Design and Format. In some versions of Excel, Chart Design may appear simply as Design. Now go to the Chart Design tab on the ribbon. In the Data group, near the middle of the ribbon, click Select Data. This opens the Select Data Source dialog box. On the left side under Legend Entries, Series, you'll see the current series listed there. Each one is still showing the longer column header text taken from the data. Click the first series in that list to highlight it. Then click Edit above the list. The Edit Series dialog opens, and inside it you'll see the series name field. It will usually contain a cell reference rather than a typed label. Click on that series name field, select the existing reference, and delete it. Now type North America. After that, click OK to return to the Select Data Source dialog. The first legend entry now updates to North America. Next, click the second series in the list, then click Edit again. In the series name field, clear the current reference so the box is empty. Now type Europe. Click OK to save that change, and return to the main dialog. Then click the third series in the list. Click Edit. Go to the series name field and clear the existing reference. Type Asia Pacific. Click OK to confirm it, and go back to the Select Data Source dialog. Once all three series names have been updated, click OK at the bottom of the Select Data Source dialog to apply the changes and close it. The legend at the bottom of the chart now shows the shorter labels, North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To finish, click any cell in the data table to deselect the chart and show the final result clearly. The legend now uses the shorter labels, while the source data table above the chart remains unchanged. The original column headers are still there, and the chart simply displays cleaner legend text without affecting the data itself or the references tied to those headers.